Today we're going to have a look at a few more of the things that we normally look at in the first few sessions. Specifically, we're going to have a look at the media button and the different tab options that it presents you with. And in particular, from these options, we're going to have a look at the loops and how to get set up using the Apple loops. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is close this and I'm going to make a new project. So select, go up to the file menu of course and select new, and then I'm going to select an empty project. Okay, now when you select an empty project you get this dialog box asking you how many tracks you want, if you want to add new tracks. We're going to be using audio and MIDI, but just for the start I'm just going to create 4 audio tracks in stereo. That's already chosen. Okay, so you see the 4 audio tracks come up, and now we need to access the loop browser. What we do is we go to the top right hand of the screen and you'll see this button here, Media. This is a feature that was brought in Apple Logic version 8. This is a section of the arrangement page, the arrange page, where you can access your different sources of media. So you have this tab here for bin, and this would normally contain all the audio that you would have in a particular project. Obviously this is a new project, so there's nothing there, but as you add audio it will appear there. Okay, so that was the bin tab. Now we're going to just go to the browser tab. This basically is a way for navigating around to different project folders or other music folders from within the Logic application. Here you'll see this is the root folder that you're inside, so this is the Logic folder where all your projects will be contained by default unless you specify another folder. We've not actually saved this one, but if we save this, this will automatically go into this folder. If you click on Logic, then you can see the structure going outwards. So Logic is the root folder, then music, and this is the name of the user, and then this is the user's folder, the hard disk, and then the overall computer. So yeah, basically this is a means. So for example, if you were looking for an audio file, say an old project that you'd worked on and you had a particular audio file, then you could go into the folder this way, select the audio file, and then you could drag it into your project. Okay, so that's the browser. The library, this is a feature that was previously available via the channel strip, whereby you could select preset instruments. So instruments that have been configured, these would be the Logic instruments that have been configured. Either, for example, here we've got studio percussion, we have things like the shaker, which is simply one instrument just been set up, or you can have then different variations. So for example, here we've got the short shaker, or it can have the soft shaker, and you see by clicking on this, this has set up a track. This is actually an audio track, but this would normally open one of the Logic instrument tracks, and this will configure it using the presets. Okay, so that's the library, and obviously down here we've got the slider, so if you need to go back out from here just to the main root folder, we can go back, and here we've got all the different instruments, so you can select other instruments.